As the clock ticks down to the most awaited shopping event of the year, we're here to ensure you're in the front row for the best deals in tech. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the best deals on the Acer Aspire E15 this Black Friday. Stay tuned as we dive into the features, the frenzy, and the fantastic offers that await you. The Acer Aspire E15 Black Friday extravaganza is about to begin. Feast your ears on the most anticipated event of the season, the Acer Aspire E15 Black Friday extravaganza. This is no ordinary sale. This is a technological bonanza that's set to light up the world of online shopping. In the heart of the hustle and bustle, the Acer Aspire E15 stands out, a powerhouse of productivity, a beacon of brilliance, a testament to technological prowess. As the curtain lifts on Black Friday, the spotlight is on Acer Aspire E15, promising deals that make the heart race and the mind boggle. On the grand stage of Amazon, the Acer Aspire E15 is not just a laptop, it's a statement of style, of power, of performance. With its quad-core processor and graphics, it's a beast ready to be unleashed. The Aspire E15 is not just about the hardware, it's about the experience. An experience that's smooth, seamless, and sublime. But it's not just the product that's extraordinary, it's the event itself. The Acer Aspire E15 Black Friday event is a spectacle unlike any other. It's a day when the extraordinary becomes the norm, when the impossible becomes possible. A day when the Acer Aspire E15 becomes more than just a laptop. It becomes a dream that's within reach. As the clock ticks down, the anticipation builds. The Acer Aspire E15 Black Friday event is not just a sale, it's an opportunity to get your hands on a machine that's built for the future, a future that's bright, bold, and brimming with possibilities. The countdown ends, and the moment of truth arrives. The Acer Aspire E15 Black Friday event springs to life. There's a rush, a thrill, a surge of adrenaline. The screen lights up with the best deals, each one a golden opportunity. And you, the viewer, the dreamer, the doer, are at the center of it all. Remember to check out the link in the description below to grab the best deals on the Acer Aspire E15. Don't miss out on this Black Friday bonanza. The future is here, and it's waiting for you. And as the dust settles on the Acer Aspire E15 Black Friday event, one thing is clear. This was not just a sale. This was a celebration of technology, of innovation, of the extraordinary. The Acer Aspire E15 Black Friday event was a testament to the power of possibility, the allure of the extraordinary, and the magic of Black Friday. This was the Acer Aspire E15 Black Friday event, where dreams meet reality,